rise to say thank you for all the felicitations that have been given. Honorable members, first of all, I thank God Almighty for this joyous and momentous occasion. I also thank all the honorable members for your support, your kind words, and for electing me unanimously as the 18th Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. It is with great humility and with deep sense of honor I take this chair as Speaker of this Legislative Assembly. This is my first stint of this dignified chair that I am occupying. I have no hesitation to say that today I am indeed very proud that I could gain the confidence and trust of all the honorable members of this august House. In reply to what Epistle Paul, I would say, of this House, on this occasion I also remind each one of us of the legendary reply of Speaker Lamphang of British House of Commons in the mid-60s when the House of Commons was attached by King Charles I. Asserting the privilege of Parliament, the Speaker said to the King, "May it please your Majesty, I have neither eyes to see, nor tongue to speak in this place, but as this House is pleased to direct me, whose servant I am." As Speaker, I want to express my sincerest appreciation to every one of you for the confidence you have placed in me and for the great responsibility that have been entrusted to me. I wish to take this opportunity to warmly welcome our newly elected members and also welcome back the returning members to this august House. I humbly submit to the wisdom of all the honorable members of this august House who have reposed faith and trust on me and found me fit to occupy this post. It will be my endeavor to see that the privilege and interest of this House and the legislature is protected and uphold the tradition of parliamentary democracy. It will also be my endeavor to gain the confidence of all the members of this august House and look into their interests irrespective of party affiliation. At the same time, I also look forward to constructive advice and suggestions from both sides of the House, particularly from some of the most senior and experienced members that we are having in this 11th House. As we all know, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly also has the reputation of being one of the most disciplined House in the country. And I'm sure we will continue to maintain this tradition coupled with good standard of debate. I would therefore want to facilitate good, free-flowing debates where the desired outcome is better policies and laws. I expect the members to debate vigorously but maintain mutual respect. I take this opportunity to request all the honorable members not to abuse our parliamentary privileges, but to keep to the standing orders. I will be impartial and fair, but I will also be firm. Let us therefore represent our public with dignity, purpose, and honor. Let this assembly continue to be a living embodiment of nation building, purpose, solidarity, and unity. In the coming days, months, and years, I look forward to working together with each and every one of you to ensure that this Legislative Assembly remains as vibrant as ever, bringing the required transformation to our beloved state of Meghalaya, which every citizen would truly be proud of. Thank you, Matela, Kublai, and Jai Hind.